Raise your hands. Let me make this dua for you. Ya Allah, bless the one watching this. Forgive their sins, ease their pain, guide their heart and protect them always. Ya Allah, the most merciful, forgive their past, the things they are ashamed to speak of. Heal their heart, the pain they carry in silence. Replace their fear with peace, their stress with ease. Ya Allah, our Creator, if they are struggling, strengthen them. If they are crying, Ya Rabbal Alameen, comfort them. My dear brother or sister, if you felt this in your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video. You never know whose life it might touch. And if you can't share it now, just copy the link. Even that could earn you a reward. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said,